Please.
আমরা এখন যাচ্ছি।
চলে গেছেন already আপনারা।
Okay.
The live
Good
session
evening. Good evening from Dhaka, Bangladesh. This is Azam Khan, Group Chief Communications Officer, Mutual Trust Bank Limited. Welcome you all at the launching ceremony of MEZ live from MTV official Facebook fan page and LinkedIn page and YouTube channel of MTV. Today we have with us Mr. Syed Mahbub Rahman, Managing Director and CEO, Mutual Trust Bank Limited. Mr. Syed Rafiqul Haq, Additional Managing Director and Chief Business Officer, Mutual Trust Bank Limited. Mr. Mohammad Shafqat Hussain, Head of Retail and SME, Mutual Trust Bank Limited. Mr. Shamul Barundash, Chief Digital Officer, Mutual Trust Bank Limited. Mr. Sundarajan S, Founder and CEO, iExceed. Now may I request Mr. Mohammad Shafqat Hussain, Head of Retail and SME, Mutual Trust Bank Limited, to say a few words about the feature of MEZ. Mr. Shafqat Hussain.
Thank you, Azam bhai. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Thank you for giving me the opportunity, Azam bhai. I think today is a very important day for us. We have actually, for the first time, launching this MEZ service, whereby customers would be easily able to apply or apply for account opening from anywhere, anytime at their own convenience. This is the state-of-the-art technology where customer will have nothing to do, just simply fill in the forms, and they will have a variety of choices in terms of what account they can open. In total, we have got 7 types of savings and current account from which the customers can select. Moreover, the customer will be able to also receive their account number online, hassle-free, without any problems, in the comfort of their home, office, or from wherever they choose. Plus, additionally, we're also going to give the checkbook and debit card free for first year as a gesture of our goodwill. And we are basically welcoming our customers to try this online feature, whereby they will get the state-of-the-art facility. And in near future, we will be able to bring additional features. But for the time being, we will be catering to open savings and current accounts only. Thank you.
Thank you, Shafqat Bhai, for your nice deliberation. Now may I request Mr. Shamul Barundash, Chief Digital Officer, Mutual Trust Bank Limited, to say a few words. Mr. Shamul Barundash.
Thank you, Azam Bhai, for this opportunity to deliver our speech over here. What we would like to say that we are embarking on a digital journey. Actually, as our CEO says, that we will not be looking at a complete digi bank, but we are looking at that to automate ourselves to give more digital presences for our customer. This is one of the initiative that we have taken in the last few months. Considering COVID, actually, this solution, we brought it in a very minimum features to start with, because we felt our customers who are sitting at home and would like to have opened the account, they don't need to visit to the branches, because we felt visiting branch is a security, safety, and health issues for our customer at the moment. So we felt that how quickly we can bring this platform to our customer to open their desirable account. The best part, as Shafqat Bhai has mentioned, our Head of Retail and SME, that the best part of this platform is the features that where the customer will not just simply go and start filling up the form, rather they will be looking at their product, they'll see the benefits of the product, they can compare the product, and then they will choose what is the right product for them, and then they will apply. And not only applying, while they're applying, the EKYC also be done. So that means the customer is verified already to open the account, and he will only upload his, he or she will be only uploading the document. And we will, as Shafqat Bhai said, that we will, from the customer service gesture, we'll be sending the everything, the card and the checkbook to the customer's house, and for a better customer response. Beside that, I would like to say a few more words that this is a platform that we brought in. It's not a solution. So this is going to be the face of the bank, where we are going to bring not only the retail solutions, but many more solutions for our corporate customer, our trade finance, and also many of the features that customer has to visit to give input, to make changes for many of their services. So this is going to be, so the journey started. We hope to get our customer support. We hope they enjoy it. And we are hoping to bring many, many more initiatives for our customers. Thank you.
Thank you. Now may I request Mr. Sundarajan as founder and CEO iExit to say a few words. Mr. Sundarajan as founder and CEO iExit.
Thank you, Mr. Azam Khan, and I would like to thank all of you for giving us an opportunity to work with you and then offer our platform and solution. It's indeed our pleasure to be part of this your digital journey. And when we started a few weeks back, in a short time frame, we are able to launch and offer you the customer onboarding for the initial set of products. And as explained earlier, our aim here endeavor is to, in terms of offer the customer onboarding for all products, and also making it the full servicing of the consumer banking, offering it to the customers. Currently, I think the expectation from the customers is about wherever they are 24/7, they should be able to do all the transactions on the service requests. In addition, if they want to open a new account for their own family, or they want to look at it on availing new products that are available, expectation from the market now is how do we give all of them the self-service 24/7 and straight through processing, starting from eKYC to all the way. And we have done this to a number of banks globally till date. And the same platform and the solution sets we will be offering, that's what we have brought in here. And starting from the eKYC, the video KYC, and also the servicing part 24/7. And also the platform and the solution is so rich. In addition to the self-servicing, can also do the assisted channels part, where the tab banking, where the bank's own staff or the agents can do the servicing to the clients on the field. We have done this also into the number of markets where the customers need help and support. In addition, we also offer the corporate banking to the corporate clients, starting from, again, the onboarding to the full servicing. So we have been on this journey on doing it for more than 9 years as iExit, focusing primarily on offering digital solutions to banks and financial institutions globally. And we are now happy to partner with the MTB and then looking forward to be part of your digital journey and offer more products and solutions to you and your customers who are the ultimate users of these solutions.
Thank you, sir. Now may I request Mr. Syed Rafiq, Additional Managing Director and Chief Business Officer, Mutual Trust Bank, to say a few words. Mr. Syed Rafiq.
Thank you, Mr. Azam. Thanks, Mr. Sundarajan, the CEO of iExit, and my colleagues and our MD. You know that this COVID, in this situation, every day we are changing ourselves, and we are also learning the process. And if I recall that in the month of March, what is the situation in our country? That was a total shutdown situation. But if you see in the August, this September, you see that life is going. There's moving to new normal. If you go into city, Dhaka city, we see the lot of traffic is there. Offices are reopening, factories are running, and you see that our remittance info is also very good. And as just today, I received the message that our total reserve is now 39 billion. On the other hand, our export is growing up. So the Bangladeshi, we know how to adjust ourselves for the changing situation. And accordingly, the MTB, they know the 59 banks are operating. And these banks, we also adapt ourselves. Now we can do the banking within the bank, or also we have arrangement of remote access is there. So by this time, you know that some new products that we have been launched, like savings product, insurance back product that is called MTB Extreme, MTB Shield, and we also organize some fair, also digital fair, without the presence of the customer. They can participate in the form of digital presence. What I believe is that from my history life, that if you want to reach the customer, you need to have develop the process short and simple. That is, we used to call, that is KISS. Keep it short and simple. Then you can reach the heart of the customer. And I must say thanks to the Shamal and his team and retail team for designing this structure. So now the customer even coming to the office, they can do it, account open from office or from home or from anywhere. That is possible. So now it is easy and convenient for account is not a difficult task. Previously it was like that if you want to open an account, you have to complete 8 or 9 pages. Now it is to 4 or 5 pages. That's very short and simple. And another thing I would also like to add that, the financial inclusion is there. It's still our 40% population is not been under the banking service. We also need to focus on those areas, only not in city based, but we also focus the rural areas so that we can extend this service to them. Then obviously the bank will grow as well as our country financial inclusion will be more successful in the coming days. So thanks to all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now may I request Mr. Syed Mahbubur Rahman, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Mutual Trust Bank Limited, to say a few words and announce the launching of MEZ. Mr. Syed Mahbubur Rahman.
Thank you, Azam Khan, and thank you, Sundarajan, for attending this launching ceremony of MEZ. In fact, MTB has always been focusing on basically going for digital for some time. And it is also the objective of the board to basically make our service more friendly or take the service at the doorstep of the customer. And you just cannot go there by building physical structure. That is not efficient. So this is a platform which can be used more efficiently in terms of reaching our customers. And that's what we were aspiring to. And as Shamal was saying, basically we have to be physical. Digi banking is something different, and it also depends whether our people are very much ready for that. I don't think they're ready for this digital banking or digi banking at the moment, but we'll go physical. We need physical presence as well as we'll be also coming with a lot of digital solutions. So that's what we are trying to bring. And also I think that the thing that we are launching today, the onboarding customers, that is very, very important, because in the process, you are also empowering them. They do not come to branch or any network at our any network or bank, just come during banking hour and open account. But now it's got a sort of an empowering that you are giving to our customer, that they can do it now sitting anywhere. And I think that's something we always believe in, that we think we should empower customers. At the same time, as our CBO has said, we also want to reach the remote places where we may not have network or we may not have branch. And we had in the recent past, since COVID time, we have brought in number of products like Greenpin. We have brought in. We have also brought in like registering for internet banking without coming to any network. We can use it with using your credit card or debit card. You can just register yourself. And so these are the things. And we also have launched a digital fair, so that we are trying to give some sort of experience to the customer that you can also buy things online. So this is also something we're the first bank to do that. So we are there, and we also are thankful to the central bank for the initiative that they have taken. They have given us the eKYC guideline, a very recent phenomenon, and this is helping us a lot. And I must thank also iExit to come and do a partnership with us to basically do this thing. And we have a number of things, as Shafkat has said, our head of digital and SME bank. This is the first phase we are launching. A number of things that we want to do. And we also want to do basically even fixed deposit, recurring deposit, even solution for the corporate customers. We'll be bringing card solutions, we'll be bringing very soon. And this is also under implementation. So, but at the moment, meeting the customers' requirement, we are launching the first phase. And I'm thankful to all the people like Shamal, who has done a fantastic job with the support of his team, the IT team. Everybody has worked hard. The business team has worked hard to get also the iExit team. Thank you, Mr. Sundarajan, for the support, despite the fact we are at different places, at remote places we were working from. But end of the day, we could get it done. I thank everyone at the end of the day, we could see light. And this is good that we are launching it today. And we have made that name MEZ. So banking on the go. So basically, that's what we are going to do. And thank you very much. With this, I launch MEZ for all of us, for all the customers, for every one of us.
Thank
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are almost in the last part of the program. Before ending, please watch a video of MEZ. Thank you for being with us. With this, we conclude today's event. Thank you again.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity. Thank you.